Powerful winds and a soaking rain will grip part of our Sunday. I'm Chief Meteorologist Joe Martucci. Let's talk about what we can expect on our Sunday and how to prepare, because these winds are going to be significant here. This is what we should be doing. If you have a generator, get it ready just in case we get into a power outage, and make sure not to leave it in the garage, as that can build carbon emissions in the garage and we don't want any problems with suffocation there. Secure all your loose objects early this morning while the winds are still fairly light, and move your cars away from where trees could fall. There is a real potential for wind damage and power loss as we go into not only Sunday, but even our Monday as well. Let's take a look at our futurecast. It's scattered light rain as we go into the morning, but you're going to see during the afternoon hours, we get a line of rain to pass through from west to east. There could even be a rumble of thunder with this as well. And then after this gets out of here, by about 5 o'clock, we'll start to clear out. You could even catch a sunset by the time we end our Sunday here across New Jersey. And then as we go into our Sunday night, it's a clear night, but it does stay windy across the area. Here's a look at our storm total rainfall. So this includes Saturday and Sunday, looking for between an inch to an inch and a half for most of the Jersey Shore counties. We'll take it. We do need that water, and because our ground is really dry, it can handle a lot of that water as well. One thing we can't really handle, those winds, gusts up to 60 miles an hour for those places in that darker orange you see there. Gusts of 50 in that yellow area, and this starts on Sunday afternoon and goes right into the day on Monday. That is our biggest concern when it comes to our storm threats, but there is the potential for a blowout tide to make traveling dangerous on the water, and there could even be capsized boats as well, as we do have a gale warning out on the coastal water. So if you don't have to be out on the water, don't on your Sunday. Here's a look at our morning numbers here. It's a mild morning. It's starting to get breezy. We do have those periods of rain around. We go into Sunday. Temperature is very warm, but that's the least of the weather phenomenon going on here. It's that heavy rain during the afternoon, and then those strong winds that will take us into the night. Look at those wave heights, 6 to 10 feet. Temperatures come crashing down to around seasonable on our Sunday night with a strong west wind, as we do clear out fairly early on our Sunday night. And then we just get this polar plunge to come on through. You see those purples moving into the area. That's going to set up for what will be a nor'easter as we go into our Thursday. We take a look at our two scenarios here. Scenario one, similar to the midweek storm, it moves a little more west to east. It's a slightly faster moving storm than our second scenario, and one that would actually bring the most snowfall to places like Cape May in the northwest corner of the state. Could very well be dry. Then we get to scenario two, more of a boom potential for snow along the Jersey Shore counties. This storm moves south to north. It's a slower moving storm. There's more moisture available to produce precipitation. The question is, is it too close to the coast where we end up with rain or some kind of mix as opposed to snow? It's too early for any details here. Like I've been saying, if your phone app is telling you 12 inches of snow, it could be right, but it's going to be right for the wrong reasons. Don't listen to that here. As we go into Monday morning, I'll have a first look forecast, and then Monday PM is when we'll have enough details to give you a good idea of what to expect in terms of snow, mix, or rain. And again, that storm's going to be Wednesday night into Thursday here. The cold air continues even after the storm, and this is all as promoted, as the second half of the month does look cold across the area.